Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, I will be talking to you today about a very interesting aspect of our life. That is, our life is a treasure of future miracles which are unknown to us. And I have created an acronym like FAST, F-A-S-T. F means the life has to be flexible. When last year, 24th March, there was a lockdown, 2020, people were, they got so much difference that it is the end of the world. And today we are seeing that we can fight COVID, we can fight Delta, we can fight anything which comes to us. So we should accept whatever comes to our life. God, the Almighty, has decided some good thing for us. The second aspect, the first is a flexible. Life has to be very flexible. There is no end to the road. We can, if there is an end, we can take a left turn, we can take a right turn. Second is the attitude. Attitude is altitude. Our attitude decides what height we will reach. Many of our colleagues did not join a particular course, did not join a job, but those who did that, they are at a different height. So always we should have a positive attitude about everything. I'm doing one research for us chartered accountant, NFRA has put a consultative paper. I see so many silver linings in that, telling to the whole world how an audit benefits the businesses and how it benefits all stakeholders. The third is, and most important, is the skills. We do valuations of businesses and we talk about how to increase valuations of the businesses. But we must also look at our valuation. Our value increases when we enhance our skills, the personal skills, the interpersonal skills, the technical skills, the leadership skills, and a continuous, till our last breath, our value should go up. In other YouTube videos, I have talked about unlimited memory, unlimited time. God has given such a wonderful hardware brain and such a superb, the world's best software called mind. And we can do miracles by using this software mind. So we have to continuously upgrade our skills. The fourth is our thought process, because that is the driver of what action we are taking. Now, on an average, we get about 70,000 thoughts every day, 24 hours. And a human being cannot control the thoughts. What a human being can do, manage the thoughts, manage the emotions. So when a negative thought comes to me that my practice will go down, I can substitute with a positive thought. That negative thoughts I can discard immediately. I can bury it. So the flexibility in our whole life of working, the positive attitude, A alphabet, the various skills, and our thought management can do miracle. I would like to give an example of two individuals. One is a lady, Arunima Sinha. She was pushed out of the train in 2011 when robbers, she was resisting them, and her leg was to be amputated. And in 2013, she climbed Mount Everest by using the flexibility, by having the attitude that I can do that, by having the skills and managing the thought. The Neeraj Chopra, who recently won the gold medal at Olympic, is also an example of fast. Another individual, who is Sehnsah of Bollywood, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, in 2000, we know that the house was to be auctioned, lot of debt was payable to the society. Now we see after 21 years in Kaun Banega Crorepati and so many skills of the individual. We can be Sehnsah of our own vocation. We can be Sehnsah of our chartered accountancy, whatever area we are doing. So, friends, be bullish like the stock market, Sensex is jumping. Be flexible, have positive attitude, keep on adding various skills. Money will come. Money also come by thought. You imagine that you are having 1,000 crore, you will have it. And then the thought. No, it is said that every cloud at the end has a silver lining. So keep enjoying life, keep dancing every moment. Subscribe my YouTube channel for the videos which I'll be making every day for all of us. And give your comment on what topic would you like to have video. Thank you. All the best.